Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this week's video. Juicy to me means something that is moist, has a lot of liquid, like a watermelon. For me, juicy type of makeup has shine to it, has juicy lips, lip gloss, all of that. And if you want to know how to create this very subtle look for summer, then keep on watching. Usually I start off with my lips first, but for this video I will do them last just because I don't want to accidentally get lip gloss on my hands while I'm working. For this makeup look, we're going to do something very simple because it's a juicy makeup look and I want to keep it as simple as possible. So the first thing I will have is, I want to go in with a warm tone color. I will go with the Makeup Revolution, Mother of Dragons, and Castle, which is this one on the end right here. And for this, I'm just going to do a outer corner eyeliner, very subtle, small little thing. And for that, I will be going ahead and using a angled brush and a small detail brush. And the reason why my angled brush is not that skinny, next eyeshadow palette I want to go in with is the Essence eyeshadow palette by Merve, and I want to go ahead and use this glittery silver on the end. And then you want to take a big fluffy brush like this one, a fluffy eyeshadow brush that is, and just put that in the inner corner of your eye. Then I will go ahead and curl my lashes. And then I will take my Maybelline Lash Sensational Luscious with Oil Blend. Max, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to be here. And I will take that on my upper lashes only. I have a different lid because I don't like the brush that it comes with. So I'm just using the brush that comes with my Colossal mascara. Does anybody else have a dog that is like an Italian grandma? Because the neighbor is mowing their lawn and he is frantic hearing the sounds. I had to lift him up so he can see the neighbor. But he can stare at people for hours just watching what they're doing. Such an Italian grandma. He is a silent video surveillance camera. I need to put you down because we're in the middle of a tutorial, okay? By the way, he's not my dog. He's a rented grandma. The next thing I will put on is some highlighter. I want to do that before I do my lips just because I want to get the Cupid's bow as well. You're not spying on the neighbors. So I will go in with the NYX Strobe of Genius and I will take purple because that is the most, hold on. I am apparently camera blind today. It's the most intense highlighter that I have. Okay, now for the thing that matters for this video. I will be going in with both of these for different things. So first I'm taking the big one, same highlighter. I'm just putting that in the outer, well, underneath, on my eyebrow bone, basically, is where I'm putting that. But for what matters is I take the small one and I just go in the inner corner and blend it out so that it's not just one harsh line. Get some on my nose. Hold on, I forgot to do my nose. And I like to do a Cupid's bow and just a little right there. But yeah, the small one on my nose and on my kisser. This will be blended, don't worry. Now for the lips, because that's the last thing we will be doing. I don't have a tinted lip balm or anything like that. I used all of mine, so I'm just gonna create my own, essentially. This will not last all day, but it will last enough. So I'm taking my lip liner and I'm using the Creamy Comfort lip liner by Kiko Milano and it's the 303 and I'm just lining my lips. Oh yeah, this is the Kiko Milano's Sheer Lipstick 203 Glossy Dream. Then what you want to do is remove most of this lipstick. I know that sounds insane. And now I have a tinted lip. So what I want with this is I want to go in with my Everlast All Day Lip Color and it's like this, but I will use the clear one, and I will just put that on my lips for a juicier look and feel. But if you do not have this, just a shiny lip gloss is all you need. And the last thing I will put on is some setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Base Fix that looks like this. And that is all you have to do to achieve a very fun, natural, juicy inspired makeup look. I think this is absolutely perfect for summer, when the sun hits your face and illuminates the highlighter and the eyeshadow and the lip gloss even more. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a new video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!